Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube video. In this video, I will talk about Chat GPT. All of you must have known, since last few months, everybody is talking about Chat GPT. It's been viral. It's been all over the internet. Like what exactly what is the Chat GPT is exactly and how to use it. I will explain everything step by step. So I have prepared few PowerPoint presentation. So first, let's go through the presentations. Then I will show you step by step how to use the chatbot like ChatGPT and everything. So let's go to my slide. Here it is, my slide. So the full form of ChatGPT is Chat Generative Pre-Trained Transformer. In simple language, ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that has been developed by a startup, OpenAI. The startup name is OpenAI. That is a San Francisco-based startup company, and it is available for public use since November 2022. You can use ChatGPT through web browser, and their website is chat.openai.com. So, the ChatGPT is an intelligent chatbot which can understand human-like responses. So now these are the steps how to use ChatGPT. First, you have to go to their website, that is chat.openai.com. So in their website, there is two options like login and sign up. So first, you have to sign up. You have to create an account on OpenAI. So for signing up, you can use your email address or Google account or Microsoft account. So during the sign up procedure, you will be asked for email verification and mobile verification using OTP. So once you will verify your mail ID and OTP, now you have to log in. So using your mail ID and password, you can log into the OpenAI account. So once you log in into the OpenAI account, so you can start using the ChatGPT. So I will in the next step I will show how to use and everything. So now the next slide is what to expect from ChatGPT. So what you can do using ChatGPT, you can ask anything, literally anything you can ask to the most powerful AI-based chatbot, that is ChatGPT. For example, you can ask to write them an article and any technical question you can ask, any concept that you need to understand. Simply, you can write that to the chatbot, and that will return the response. Any complex programming using physics, chemistry, mathematics, everything, everything you will ask, you will get your answer. So, is it free to use or not? So basically, the basic version of ChatGPT is currently free. So so it is not free for OpenAI to continuing running, of course. So right now they are providing is free. So they have also a premium version, which you can avail by giving $20 per month. So overall, it is free for the timing to use. So they have also one premium version, that is ChatGPT Plus. So ChatGPT Plus is a pilot subscription plan for ChatGPT, a conventional AI that can chat with you, answer follow-up questions and challenges in current assumptions. The subscription plan will be available for $20 per month, and subscribers will receive a number of benefits such as general access ChatGPT during peak time. Suppose you are using ChatGPT for free during peak time, you may expect responses a little bit slower. So if you will get the chatbot plus, then we can uh, get a quick response. So priority access and features. So you will get priority access to the ChatGPT features and improvements. So this much in the slide. So now let's go back to the illustration part. So let's go back. So now we will start using the ChatGPT. Currently, I am in the website chat.openai.com. You can see there are two options: login and sign up. So once I click this sign up, it will be it will be showing this sign up create an account page. You can use your own email ID and or Microsoft account or Google account to sign up. So I have already signed up the ChatGPT account. So in my another browser, I have login. So let's see. So this is the ChatGPT dashboard. In this option, new chat. Once you click on the new chat, you can chat from here. So first, like uh, uh, give ChatGPT a few problems. So I have decided three problems: one mathematics problem, another is physics problem, and another is computer science problem. First, let's give this problem to ChatGPT, and let us see how it is calculating. So See, now I can see ChatGPT is calculating the equation. So, so this is the answer. Okay. So now let's ask another physics problem. This is a physics problem. So I will ask here. So you can say it is calculating the problem step by step, and like writing in a human understandable language. So every student, any student who want to use, they can use. See, here is the answer. So now let let us give a Java program. So I'm asking the Chat GPT to write a Java program that will take input two number and display their product and sum. So here it is writing the program. It is also adding comment line, so which will be easy for the user to understand. So I think like the AI-based Chat GPT chatbot has already written the Java program. And here it is showing the output. Oh, now it is it is understanding the it is making you understood about the program. It is explaining which function it has it is used, and what is the role of the function, everything. So all these are about ChatGPT. You can give the chatbot any task, it will perform the task and give you the output. So you can try ChatGPT. So there are several other functionalities of ChatGPT. Like people are earning money from ChatGPT by like you know writing the article, everything. So I will explain another features of ChatGPT in my upcoming videos. Thank you.